What's up, guys? Dead Zero here, and I am showing you how to cook the best present. Yeah, like cake or something. But yeah, count the best cake present, something like that, for family or parents. What you're gonna need is some pound cake. A plate, of course, whipped cream, and a mix of strawberries. You can do something else, whatever you like. I'm doing strawberries today. First, wait 1 sec, please. Alright, I'm back. I have to get some. Alright, what you want to do now is get your pound cake. You can use other cake, but I'm using this cake. You take a slice and cut it down. Good. We have your slice. I'm cutting a bit more. What you want to do now is grab your mix of whatever fruit you're going to do. Strawberry's good. And just pour it on there. Make it delicious. I might have poured a little too much, but yeah. Remember, I'm using strawberries. You don't have to. But this is good how I'm doing it. Take the whipped cream. And just start right here from that side. Do that. And like that. Then put a little in the middle. This is going to be a short video because, yeah. Cinematics. I don't know what to say. And there you have it. Since my parents already had some, I mean, it's for myself. There you go. And like the video, subscribe, and I'll talk to you zeros later. Zero.